Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Renato Betaglio, and today I am going to talk about the Association of the Southeast Asian Nations, also known as the ASEAN, which members are Brunei, Cambodia, Indonesia, Laos, Malaysia, Myanmar, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand, and Vietnam. The, head, the headquarters of this organization are located in Jakarta, Indonesia, and these all these countries they get notice of his incredible amount of resources and in different kind of first necessity objects like silicon or different kind of materials that people industries use to make things as computers, TVs, or every kind of electronic device. For first time in the history of human beings, in our history, these nations finally see the potential of these lands and the richness that they have, and now they improve all these political decisions to make this group, which promotes the intergovernmental cooperation and facilities economic, politically, security, militarily, educational, socio-cultural integrations between the members and the other countries in the Asian ASEAN. One of the primary objectives of this organization was to accelerate the economics and the growth through the social progress and cultural development. The ASEAN was preceded by a program organization formed in the 31 of July 1961 called the Association of the Southeast Asia. Group of consists of Thailand, the Philippines, and the Federation of Malaya. The ASEAN itself was created on August of 1967, when the foreign members of the countries Indonesia, Malaysia, the Philippines, Singapore, Thailand signed the ASEAN Declaration. On October of 2008, members states met in Jakarta, Indonesia, to launch a charter signed in November of 2007 to move closer to the EU-style community. The charter turned an ASEAN into a legal entity and aimed to create a single free trade area for the region, encompassing 50 million people, and the financial crisis of the 2007 and 2008 was seen as a threat to the Carter's goal, and also led from the idea proposed on the human rights body to be discussed in the future summit in February 2009. This proposition caused controversy, and the body would not have power to impose sanctions or punish countries which violated citizens' rights and will therefore be limited in effectiveness. I hope that if in the future all these countries make the correct decisions to be better in the global environment that we live right now, probably these countries could be super potential states in the near future. Also knowing that the important part of this um, conglomerate is that all the power radicates in the power of get the technology to get a better world for on our children's